Hi, my name is Brian Thomas. I'm the librarian here at St. Mary's College High School. I have been at St. Mary's for 23 years. Started as an English teacher and transitioned over to being a librarian a little over 10 years ago. Let me tell you a little bit about the library. First, our library hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Thursday. On Friday, they're from 8 a.m. till 3:30 p.m. The library itself has over 12,000 print titles, including newspapers, graphic novels, magazines, and then we have over 1 million digital resources, everything from articles to ebooks, audiobooks, etc. We have 16 21-inch iMacs that students can use all day. Those have a full suite of Apple products and Microsoft products. We also have audio and video equipment that students can check out for their projects, projects in iMovie or GarageBand. I personally teach information literacy skills. I do this through the epistemology classes, and I also collaborate with teachers to create research projects that students are going to be successful doing. Finally, I have reference interviews with students for their AP Lit papers or the AP History or their senior projects. We have different rotating displays in the library, so things that support other projects that are going on campus, so the student arts, campus ministry, the inclusive community, and student government. So basically our library is a place for the whole community to come to do work, to create work, and even just to relax. So one of my favorite things about my service here in the library is basically working with students. I can't tell you how many times in just doing a reference interview, finding out what a student's really excited to learn more about, that's deeply interesting to them, even on a personal as well as academic level, and then helping them find resources that they connect with that then further them on their own information journey. That I find very, very fulfilling.